Hi, hello my dear students. Welcome back to chemistry class beta. So in the last video, we have seen so many important concepts. Those are very important for what competitive exams like NEET, G and CET point of view. So what are the important concepts we have seen in the last video for the purpose of competitive exams? So once again I am going to be memorized. Okay na? So come on, follow me beta. So I have told you clearly, atomic radius we can measured in the units are nothing but the angstroms, nanometers, picometers. And one more thing I have told you that size of nucleus, or we can say nucleus radius, that we can measure in the unit, that is nothing but Fermi, and also we can say that Fem, simply we can say Fermi. Next beta. And one more thing, I have did one small calculation. The calculation is regarding the ratio of size of atom to the nucleus. So size of atom to the size of nucleus, nothing but the ratio of radius of atom to the radius of nucleus, that is equals to how much Nana? 10 to the power of 5. We did that calculation. Next thing also I have did another calculation. Volume of atom when it going to be divided by the volume of nucleus. So volume of atom how many times more? 10 to the power of 15 times more. That calculation also we have did in the last video. Okay beta. And after that I have given one special formula to calculate the size of the nucleus. So with the formula to calculate the size of the nucleus, R is equals to R naught into A power 1 by 3. So what is mean by R naught? This value should be fixed. How much Nana? 1.3 FM. I have told you in the last video. Sir, in the place of A, what we have to consider? Atomic mass, or we can consider the mass number. And based on this formula, we have did one calculation. Size of nucleus of aluminum find out kiya na beta? Yes. And another last information we have seen in that video, that is nothing but Moseley's experiment. Along with that graph, I have given the explanation, and by using one objective problem also. So what is the Moseley's equation? Root of mu is equals to A into Z minus B. A and B, they both are nothing but the constants, and Z is nothing but atomic number, and mu is nothing but the frequency of the characteristic X-ray. And I have told you clearly, so frequency of the characteristic X-ray, that should be directly proportional to the what beta? Atomic number. So all these informations, they are very important for what Nana? Competitive point of view. So all those informations apne kal clearly padhai kiye, that we have studied in the last video. Okay na beta? Good. So in this video class, I am going to be explain about the representation of an atom. What I am going to show beta? Representation of an atom. So how to represent an atom or element? Okay, in that what are the symbols we have to be used, and what are their importances? And especially here in this class, I am going to show you how to calculate the number of electrons, protons and neutrons in neutral atom and in cation and in anion in various types of species. Here I am going to show you calculation of electrons, protons and neutrons. Okay na beta? Yes. So let me go for representation of an atom. How to represent the atom? Okay na beta? Yes. So listen carefully. An atom or element we can represent in the manner is, first of all we have to write the X. The meaning of X is, we have to say that symbol of the element. So first of all we have to write the symbol of the element. That one we can say that, or we can say symbol of the atom, no problem. Okay beta? Yes. And after that, upon that symbol of the element, for that symbol we have to write the subscript, nothing but at the bottom of that symbol we have to write Z letter. What we have to write beta? Z ko likhna padega. Okay, in the form of subscript. The meaning is nothing but at the bottom of the symbol we have to write the Z value. Sir, what is mean by Z? The meaning of Z is, here I am going to tell you, that is nothing but what, Nana? Atomic number. What we can say? Atomic number. Okay, fine. And next, at the top of the element, either left side or right side, as you wish, but top में लिखना पड़ेगा. Top में लिख रहे बोले तो the meaning is, here we are going to write the symbol, that is nothing but what, Nana? A. A indicates the, what beta? Atomic mass, and also we can say that is nothing but the mass number. What we can write? Mass number. So this is your general representation of an element. So here I am going to show you in the form of box indication. Okay, all of you beta, is this one you have to be remember a lot. Don't be forgot. It is general representation hai and common fundamental topic. That's why I have told you this topic. I hope you in bridge course time, Nana. Okay, good. So what is the general representation of an element? Simply we have to be pronounced AXZ. Otherwise you can say that XZA. No problem, as you wish. Yes. Now listen carefully. So here what is meant by X? X is nothing but the symbol of the element or atom. And at the bottom of that element, at the bottom of that symbol, here we are writing Z. Z is nothing but what? An atomic number. So that atomic number we have to be say that Z is nothing but atomic number. Atomic number is written in the form of subscript, nothing but at the bottom of the symbol. So इसको क्या बोलना बेटा? Atomic number was written in the form of subscript. Nothing but at the bottom of the symbol we have to be mentioned the Z that indicates the atomic number. And at the top of the symbol we have to write A. At the top of the symbol means we have to say that mass number is written in the form of superscript. Okay, all of you, Nana. So atomic number Z, it can be written in the form of subscript of the symbol, nothing but at the bottom of the symbol. And mass number is nothing but A, it can be written in the form of superscript of the symbol, nothing but at the top of the symbol. These two things you have to be remember. Okay, fine. Now one example I am going to tell you. First, suppose the example here I am going to consider, that is about the carbon. Which example I am going to consider, beta? Carbon. What was the symbol of carbon? Carbon symbol, in the place of X we have to write C. Okay, very good. In the form of subscript, nothing but at the bottom of the symbol we have to write the Z value. The meaning is nothing but atomic number. So come and try to say what is the atomic number of carbon? 6. In the form of subscript I have written. And what was the mass number of carbon? 12, Nana, you know very well. So 12 is nothing but mass number. We have to be right in the form of superscript, nothing but at the top of the, Nana? Element. Or we can say at the top of the symbol. Is in that manner we have to be represent the symbol of the carbon. Okay, all of you, Nana? Yes. Good. And what about helium? Helium is symbol is nothing but He, atomic number is nothing but 2 and mass number is 4. In that way we can write the number of examples. So atomic number should be in the form of subscript and mass number should be in the form of superscript, and beech mein kya likhna beta? In the middle we have to be write the symbol of the element. Yes. So I hope you understand the information clearly. Now I am going to be explain about the atomic number, that means Z. So the concept of atomic number determined by whom? Mostly by using a particular relation, by using one graph also. Anyway, you leave that information. So now here I am going to give you the information about the atomic number. Sir, what is mean by atomic number? How to define the atomic number? Yes. So let me go for definition. What is the symbol of atomic number, beta? Z. So Z value we can calculate. Atomic number we can represent in the manner is atomic number Z. It is equals to atomic number Z. It is equals to. Listen carefully. Atomic number Z. It can be defined in two factors, one by using proton concept, one more by using electron concept. Okay, so let me go for by considering proton concept. Atomic number Z, it is equals to the, we have to say that number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. So inside the nucleus, how many protons are there? That proton is equals to the what beta? Atomic number. Yes. Let me go for another definition for atomic number, that in the form of by considering electron concept. So we can say the definition: number of electrons present in neutral atom. This condition should be applied. So number of electrons which are present in the neutral atom, that is also we have to say that equals to atomic number. But what about proton? Number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom. Maybe cation, maybe anion, maybe neutron, no problem. In case of proton, no more conditions will be applicable. Just we have to say that number of protons which are present in the nucleus. Also common point. And what about here another definition? Number of electrons which are present in neutral atom only. Don't consider cation and anion. Okay, all of you beta? Yes. So both the formulas you have to be remember. I mean both the definitions try to remember, Nana. Now, I want to tell you. So three cases here I want to show you. These are very important for you to say the shortcut answer in objective point of view. Number one is for neutron. For neutral atom. So for neutral atom, or we can say in the case of neutral atom, how to calculate the number of protons and number of electrons. So in the case of neutral atom, this point you should be remember very well. Number of protons, simply I am denoting with symbol is P, try to understand. And you suppose it must be equals to the number of electrons. So proton symbol is nothing but what beta? P plus, and electron symbol is nothing but what, Nana? E minus. And so both they are equals to the Z, that is nothing but atomic number. So in the case of neutral atoms like sodium, Na, Mg, carbon, N, O, like that, no plus, no minus, like that. So in the case of neutral atoms, Z value is equals to the number of protons and it is also equals to the number of electrons. That means number of protons and number of electrons, they should be equal, and that value should be equals to the atomic number in the case of what, Nana? Neutral atom. And you suppose this is nothing but the case number one. Let me go for here, okay, case number two. For cations. So in the case of cations, what about the number of protons and electrons? For cations. Okay. So what is meant by cation? You can consider number of examples. Na plus 1, Mg plus 2, Al plus 3, Si plus 4, as you wish. Yeah. So for cations, okay, in the case of cations, how to say the number of protons and electrons? Yes. So in the case of cations, you suppose it is nothing but case number 2. I mean case number B. So for cations, here in the case of cations, we have to be remember that is nothing but number of protons, it is equals to Z. And what about electrons? Yes, I want to say that number of electrons, number of E minus. The meaning of E minus is what beta? Electrons. So number of electrons, that is equals to atomic number Z minus I want to say that cation. What is meant by cation? Positively charged species. For suppose Mg plus 2, that means the meaning of plus 2 is it losing 2 electrons. For suppose Al plus 3, cation, the meaning of Al plus 3 is Al loses 3 electrons. Okay, all of you, Nana. So in that case, we have to say that in the case of cation, number of electrons, that is equals to the Z value, nothing but atomic number minus number of lost electrons. Atomic number minus number of lost electrons. I am going to show you the example, you don't need to worry. Okay, so let me consider here one example. Example for what? Cation. So you suppose the cation is nothing but the, I am going to consider that Mg plus 2. What is the cation? Mg plus 2. So in that Mg plus 2, number of protons equals to Z value. Magnesium Z value 12. So in that Mg plus 2, we have to say that number of protons is equals to the 12. And what is the formula to calculate number of electrons? Z value minus number of lost electrons. What is the Z value? Okay, number of electrons is equals to, Z value is nothing but 12. Okay, Z value is nothing but 12 minus number of lost electron. How many electron? Plus 2 means it loses 2 electron. So 12 minus 2, the answer is nothing but what, beta? 10 electrons. In that manner, we can calculate the number of protons and number of electrons for which species, Nana? Cationic species. I hope you understand that information clearly. Okay. So for neutral atom, number of protons and number of electrons both are equal to the Z value. But in the case of cations, number of protons, it is equal to the Z. Number of electrons is equal to the Z value minus number of lost electron. Means atomic number minus number of lost electron. Okay. For neutral atom and for cation. Now and for anions. Yes. So let me consider another case number C. First, suppose we have to consider that for what, Nana? Anions. For anions. So for anions, how to calculate the electrons and protons? Electrons and protons. You suppose C case. Yes. So for anions, nothing but negatively charged species, we can calculate the number of protons. Again, it is also equals to the Z. Once again, for neutral atom, number of proton equal to Z. For cations, number of proton equal to Z. For anions, number of proton equal to Z. Means there will be no change in what is the number of protons. Okay, all of you? Yeah. But there will be change in number of electrons. In case of neutral, equal to Z. In case of cation, Z minus number of lost electron. In case of anion, Z plus number of gained electron. So number of electrons is equals to the Z plus, anions means negatively charged particle. Cations means positively charged particle. Positive charge means loss of electron. Here negative charge means gain of electron. So Z plus, we have to say that number of gained electrons. Yes, I am going to consider one example. First, suppose the example is nothing but O minus 2 ion. Means in oxide anion. Now we have to calculate the protons and electrons. Okay, let me go for number of protons. Number of protons P plus is equals to, what is the value? It is equal to Z. Nothing but oxygen Z value. How much? Atomic number is 8. So number of protons in O minus 2 is 8. Very good. And next thing is we have to be focused on number of electrons. So number of electrons E minus is equals to Z plus number of gained electron. Z value of oxygen is nothing but atomic number is 8. Okay, I have written that. Z plus what we have to write? Number of gained electrons. So number of gained electron O minus 2. Listen, Mg plus 2 means it losing 2 electrons. O minus 2 means it gains 2 electron. So already it contains 8 electron plus it gaining 2 means total number of electrons equal to 10. I hope you understand the meaning clearly. So in the case of neutral and in the case of cations and in the case of anions, how to calculate the protons and electrons this information, I hope it may reach to you clearly. Okay, now, so up to now I have seen the story only about the atomic number, and by using that concept, how to calculate the number of protons and electrons, such information already I have told you. Good. Now here, all of you my dear students, listen carefully. Now here I am going to discuss about the another concept, that is nothing but A. What is in by A? Mass number. So now we have to be know about the mass number. Sir, what is mean by mass number? Okay, and all of you my dear students, try to remember another name of mass number. Mass number, and also we can say that atomic mass. No problem. Okay, and also we can write another name, that is known as nucleons number. Which number? Nucleons number. Sir, what is the symbol of mass number or nucleons number? The symbol is nothing but what, Nana? Capital A. I have written there clearly. So now the question is, sir, why mass number is known as nucleons number? I am going to tell you, but before that we have to know the definition of mass number. Yeah, let me go for mass number. Symbol is nothing but A, and the definition is nothing but the A is equals to, mass number is equals to, the definition is, we have to say that sum of protons and neutrons, sum of protons and neutrons which are present in the nucleus of an atom. You know very well, protons and neutrons, these two subatomic particles, we can found inside the nucleus. So inside the nucleus, protons and neutrons are there. So protons and neutrons collectively they are known as nucleons. Already I have told you in the last class. Okay, so the sum of proton plus neutron, that is equals to the mass number. So okay, so we can write the formula. A is equals to the, A is nothing but mass number. A is equals to sum of the protons and neutrons. We can say that P plus N. What we can say, beta? P plus N. This is your formula to calculate the what, Nana? A value. The meaning is nothing but to calculate the mass number. Which number? Mass number. What's the formula? A is equals to P plus N. And also we can modify this formula into another form, that is nothing but the A is equals to what? P. What is meant by P? Protons. But the protons are equals to Z. So we can say that in the place of P we can write Z. So A is equals to what, Nana? Z plus N. So all of you my dear students, try to remember both the formulas for the calculation of mass number, that is nothing but A. Good, very good. Now this equation I want to be modified. What is meant by A? Mass number. And what is meant by Z? Atomic number. And what is meant by N? Neutrons. Sir, how to calculate the number of neutrons? Because of up to now we have seen only calculation of proton and calculation of neutron. We have seen clearly, but we don't know how to calculate the number of neutrons. So when we simplify this formula, that is nothing but the number of neutrons. What we are going to simplify, beta? Number of neutrons. Number of neutrons, the formula is nothing but we can say that N is equals to, when we simplify the above equation, अपने को N चाहिए, so Z value left side लेके आइए बेटा, A minus Z, that is equals to N. So N is equals to A minus Z. So number of neutrons, that is nothing but N. N is equals to what, Nana? A minus Z. So what is mean by N? N is nothing but number of neutrons. It is equals to what is mean by A? A is nothing but we can say mass number minus what is mean by Z. Z is nothing but what, Nana? Atomic number. What is mean by Z? Atomic number. in that manner, by using the chart form, we can calculate the what beta? Number of neutrons. Number of neutrons. I am going to give you the formula. You don't need to worry. Okay, all of you, Nana? Samjhe ki nahi? So what is meant by number of neutrons? Number of neutrons N is equal to the mass number minus atomic number. Nothing but superscript minus subscript A minus Z, that going to be found the value is nothing but what, Nana? Number of neutrons. Okay, all of you? Yes. So these are the very important formulas and relations, okay, now for the calculations of what? Electrons, protons and neutrons, and what is meant by atomic number, what is meant by mass number. Everything is clear. Okay, all of you? Good. Now, on the basis of these topics, I am going to give you around 4 to 5 questions, and in that, some of the questions they are present inside the NCERT textbook, and some of the questions they are repeated in the previous competitive exams. Okay? Yes. Follow me, beta. Yeah, you can say easily answers for all the questions. In that question number 1 is, I am going to tell about the find the number of neutrons in, and you suppose the given species is nothing but bromine, and for that atomic number was given 35, and for that mass number was given 80. This is the question mark. So what is the formula to calculate the number of neutrons? So number of neutrons we can calculate. Answer is by using the formula, that is nothing but N is equals to A minus Z. What is meant by N? Mass number. Here I have given to you. What is meant by Z? Atomic number. So mass number is 80 and atomic number is nothing but 35, and your answer is nothing but what, beta? 45. Okay. Next one thing is, here question number 2 I am going to write for you. Find number of electrons, comma, protons and neutrons in nitride ion. Which ion? Nitride ion. Very important question. Not only nitride ion, oxide ion, phosphide ion, like that number of species you can consider. Let me go for one example, nitride ion. Okay, fine. Sir, first of all we have to be very familiar about the formula of nitride ion. In the time of bridge course time, okay, na bridge course, I have told you a list of anions and cations. Okay, yes. Let me consider first of all nitride ion. So what is the formula of nitride ion? Nitride ion formula is nothing but the N3, okay, na N minus 3. What is the formula, beta? N minus 3. So this is the formula of what, beta? Nitride ion. But here nitrogen atom is there, atomic number is 7, that one we know very well, and nitrogen mass number is almost all double to atomic number, that is nothing but 14. Atomic number 7, mass number 14, and it contains charges minus 3. This is the symbol of nitride ion. Now in this nitride ion, I am going to consider the number of electrons. What I am going to consider, beta? Number of electrons. Okay, let me consider number of electrons equals to. What is the formula to calculate the number of electrons? And this is looking like anion. Okay, this is the anion. Z plus number of gained electron. Z value is 7 plus minus 3 means it gaining 3 electrons. Okay, so totally we have to say that 10 electrons. Number of electrons clear. Now go for, okay, what, beta? Number of protons. Yes, I am going to calculate the number of proton. So number of proton, that value should be always equal to Z. The Z value is nothing but what, Nana? 7. And let me go for number of neutrons. Neutron value A minus Z, nothing but 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7, again your answer should be 7. Okay, so 10 comma 7 comma 7, like that answer we have to be tick in that objective exam. Okay, another question I am going to give you. Same, find number of electrons, comma, protons and neutrons in, question number 3 is in phosphorus atom. Which atom? Phosphorus atom. Yes. What is the symbol of phosphorus atom? The symbol is nothing but what, Nana? P. Phosphorus. Atomic number you know very well. That is nothing but 15. That's why I have told you so many times. In the time of bridge course only I have told you. Try to remember list of first 30 elements. Okay. Again newcomers. Okay. If you want to know the fundamentals more in chemistry, so you can go through all the bridge class videos. All 18 bridge class videos. They are available in same YouTube link. Okay, now right. So here phosphorus atomic number is nothing but 15, mass number is nothing but the double plus 1. So we can consider that is nothing but 31. If you want you can write here also, no problem, as you wish now. Okay. So P1531, this is atomic number, this is mass number. Yeah, let me go for number of electrons equals to, come on. Electron is equals to the, how much? Z value, this is equals to 15. Protons is equals to Z value, again this is also answer 15. Neutrons is equals to A minus Z value, that is nothing but 31 minus, Z value is what? 15. So your answer is nothing but what, beta? 16. In that manner, you can calculate the answers for what, Nana? Number of electrons, number of protons and number of neutrons. Okay, yes. In that only I am going to give you question number 4. First suppose phosphate ion. Which ion? Phosphate ion. So what will be the formula of phosphate ion? The formula of phosphate ion is PO4 minus 3. Now in that phosphate ion, not only in cation, not only in neutral atom, in the ions also, I mean in the molecule type substances also, we can calculate the number of electrons, comma, number of protons, comma, number of what, beta? Neutrons. So let me go one by one for all. Yeah. So first of all about the number of electrons. How we can calculate? One phosphorus atom is there. Atomic number is 15. That means it contains 15 electrons. One oxygen is there. One oxygen atomic number is 8. Nothing but one oxygen contains 8 electrons. 8 are beta. But how many oxygen atoms are there? 4. So 4 into 8. Nothing but 8 4s are 32. Okay now. And here minus 3 means it gains 3 electrons. Okay, I am going to write here 3 electrons. Okay, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 5 10. So nothing but 10 and 10, nothing but 20, 20 plus 30 what? 50. So it contains total how many electrons? 50 electrons. Go for number of protons. Again, phosphorus atomic number is 15. That is equal to number of protons. Oxygen atomic number is 8. And 8 4s are what? 32. So total answer is nothing but 47 protons. And neutrons is equals to phosphorus 31 minus 15. Number of neutrons equals to 16. Plus, what about oxygen? Oxygen means atomic number is 8, mass number is 16. What about neutron? 16 minus 8, again answer is 8. So one oxygen contains 8 neutron. Again 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. So your answer is nothing but what, Nana? 48. In that manner, we can calculate the electrons and protons and neutrons in the respective ionic species or substances. Good. So now another question I am going to ask you. First suppose that is nothing but the number of electrons, comma, protons and neutrons. They have given in the ratio, that is nothing but the, so 18, comma, 16 and 16 respectively. So for a particular species, they have given the number of electrons and protons and neutrons. So electrons equal to 18, protons equal to 16, neutrons equal to 16. In the respective manner, that information was given. Then they are asking, then what will be the species? Okay, so for that answer I am going to tell you now. So on the basis of proton we have to decide the answer mainly, because the proton value is fixed for cation, anion and for all. Okay, proton how much? 16. Nothing but Z value is 16. Z value 16 means atomic number 16. Atomic number 16 means we have to say that. So here what Nana? So number of protons, that is equals to 16. It indicates the atomic number. Atomic number 16 means we have to say that sulfur atom. What is the Z value? 16. What is the mass number? 32. You know that very well. Now listen carefully. Protons and Z value 16. 32 minus 16 means the number of neutrons, again they will become 16. Okay, two values satisfied. But here number of electrons are 16. But as per question 18 means it gains 2 electrons. So we can write the answer is minus 2. This is your symbol of the given respective question. Good. And another question I am going to write here. First, suppose they have given Z value, that is nothing but 4, and they have given A value, that is nothing but 9. Then what will be the symbol of the species? Next here Z value is equals to, first suppose they have given 17 and A value is nothing but they have given nearby 35. Then what will be the symbol? First suppose Z value they have given, you suppose 92, and A value they have given, that is nothing but the 235. Okay, Z value 4 means atomic number 4, that is nothing but the beryllium. And Z value 17, nothing but we can say chlorine. Z value 92, we can say that uranium. Such symbols we have to be right. Okay, atomic number is 4, mass number is 9. Atomic number is 17, mass number is 35.5. Atomic number is 92, mass number is nothing but 235. In that manner, we have to be ready. We can represent the symbol of the respective atom or element. Okay. So not only this Nana, in that manner so many questions that are repeated in the previous competitive exams and also in theory exam. Okay. So one question I want to give you, try to check yourself. If you are not going to get the answer, ask me Nana. Okay, now throw the WhatsApp number as you wish. The question is, find the number of electrons, comma, protons and neutrons in heavy water. Which water? Heavy water. What will be the formula of heavy water? Simply we can say that B2O. Nothing but what? Heavy water. Water formula H2O. Heavy water formula D2O. So in that heavy water, how many number of electrons and protons and neutrons are there? This is the question I am going to give you. So this answer you have to recalculate yourself. If you are not going to get the answer, okay, now you can ask me through WhatsApp number and send me the answers. Okay, now if you got the answer, send me the answer again through the WhatsApp number. Okay, all of you Nana. So try to check yourself. And one hint I am going to give you here. Sir, what is meant by D? D for deuterium. Its atomic number is 1 and its mass number is 2. And oxygen, you know that. Oxygen atomic number is 8, mass number is 16. By using such data, for the given question, try to calculate the electrons, protons and neutrons. Okay, all of you know. And in tomorrow's class, I am going to explain about the atomic species. Okay, all of you beta.